Hi everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're navigating what I like to call the highly accessible staircase of AI income generation. If you've been looking for a really direct, structured way to just completely demystify online earning without getting totally bogged down in overwhelming technical jargon or feeling like you need thousands of dollars just to get started, well, you are in exactly the right place. So grab a coffee, settle in, and get ready to take some mental notes.
Okay, $500. Imagine pulling in an extra $500 in a single day or even a week using really lean digital strategies and free or low-cost tools. I know it sounds like a lot, but this actually isn't a fantasy, and it's definitely not reserved for tech geniuses. Across all our sources, we're seeing real creators, busy students, just everyday beginners hitting these exact numbers with remarkable consistency. And they're doing it just by applying a few simple frameworks.
But of course, the ultimate question staring us in the face is how, right? How can a complete beginner actually achieve this kind of income without high upfront investments, coding skills, or, a massive pre-existing social media following? Well, the answer lies in fundamentally shifting how you view the technology itself. You really have to treat artificial intelligence not as a magic wand that just does all the work for you, but as an engine that you steer.
All right, so here is our roadmap for today. 1. The AI reality check. 2. Level 1 AI microtasks. 3. Level 2 digital products. 4. Level 3 YouTube automation. And finally, 5. The ultimate success formula. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The AI reality check. Understanding your role. Look, before we even touch a single piece of software, we absolutely have to set the right foundational mindset. AI is not the moneymaker. You are the moneymaker. This is a core philosophy echoing across all the sources we looked at. AI is really just your highly efficient assistant. Your unique human strategy, your niche selection, and honestly, your persistent execution are what actually drive the value and put money into your pocket. To break that down a bit further, think of it like the 80-20 rule. AI easily handles the 80%, right? The heavy lifting, the grunt work. It drafts the massive walls of text, it formats the tedious documents, and it generates the raw images. But that final 20%? That is all you. It's your unique perspective. It's editing out that generic, clunky AI jargon, adding your personal stories, and packaging it all up attractively. That 20% is what actually makes the product sell. Like, for instance, AI can spit out a generic workout plan in seconds, but your 20% is adding your own personal weight loss story and unique practical tips to make it actually resonate with real people. Moving on to Section 2. Level 1. AI microtasks. Active income with zero barrier. So let's step onto the very first and easiest level of our staircase. This is active income, with a literal zero barrier to entry. You don't need to know how to sell a thing, and you don't need an audience to buy from you. Microtasks are simply small, remote online jobs. Now, while simple surveys pay very little, the real money right now is in AI training. Companies desperately need human-labeled data. They need actual people to evaluate search engine relevance, annotate images so AI models can understand them, and review chatbot outputs for accuracy. Here are the top platforms where you can start doing this today. We're talking about platforms like Remote Tasks, Appen, Clickworker, Toloka, and TELUS International AI. And they are actively paying people to train AI. Why? Because, well, AI models still make a ton of mistakes, and they desperately need human logic to learn from and improve. If you've got basic computer knowledge and a solid grasp of English, you can log on, take their free training modules, and just start earning active income. Beginners often pull in between, $1 to $5 a day initially, but consistent, accurate workers who graduate to advanced AI annotation can scale this up significantly over time.
All right, Section 3, Level 2, Digital Products, Semi-Passive Income.
Now this is where things get really fun, because we're transitioning from active income to semi-passive income. We are going to leverage AI to build digital assets like ebooks, planners, templates, build them once, and then sell them repeatedly on autopilot. A massive shift has happened here. The old way of creating a digital product, that meant months of writing drafts and hiring super expensive graphic designers to make it look decent. The new way, AI has completely collapsed that creation barrier. What used to take 3 months now literally takes a single weekend using ChatGPT for your content and Canva Magic Studio for your visuals. Here is the exact beginner-friendly workflow. Step 1, you pick a highly specific niche. Don't just make a general weight loss guide, make a 10-week natural weight loss guide for busy moms. Step 2, prompt ChatGPT to build the outline and write out the chapters section by section based on your human guidance.
Step 3, paste that text right into a template on Canva and use their Magic Studio AI to instantly generate a professional, eye-catching cover. And Step 4, upload that PDF to free platforms like Gumroad or Seller. They handle the checkout and automatic email delivery for you, the whole shebang.
Okay, let's demystify that big $500 goal for a second. Because making $500 a day sounds super intimidating until you actually break down the math. Look at this. You just need 11 people in the entire world to buy a $47 ebook. Or if you focus on medium volume, you only need 5 sales of a $97 digital course. Alternatively, you can use a really cool strategy called product stacking. You create 5 different digital products that each make just $100 a day. Suddenly, building this income stream feels incredibly achievable, doesn't it? It's really just a matter of finding the right math for your specific niche.
Section 4. Level 3. YouTube Automation. Highly Scalable Income.
So for those of you who want to build a highly scalable, hands-off media engine that basically works around the clock, we look to faceless YouTube automation. This is the process of converting text research into published video content, like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, without you ever needing to speak into a microphone or show your face on camera or manually chop up clips in some complex video editor. You are essentially operating as a full digital media company right from your laptop.
This entire process builds into a super logical 5-step zero-code pipeline. First, you feed a topic into an AI to write a high-retention 60-second script. Second, you push that script over to an AI voice generator. Third, the AI extracts visual cues from the text. Fourth, an AI image generator creates the exact visuals to match the voice. And finally, an automated assembly tool stitches the audio and visuals together. You just do a really quick 2-minute human quality check to make sure it looks good, and boom, hit publish.
And here is the exact toolkit used by creators to pump out dozens of videos a month for literally less than $40 in total overhead. ChatGPT writes the scripts. 11 Labs generates incredibly lifelike human voiceovers. Midjourney or Runway create those stunning background visuals. And a tool like Make.com acts as the orchestrator, just automatically passing the files from one AI to the next while you sleep. It is pure, automated leverage, and it allows you to compete with massive studios right from your kitchen table. It's wild.
Section 5. The Ultimate Success Formula. Wrapping up.
Okay, so we've looked at microtasks, we've looked at digital products, and we've explored automated video pipelines. But how do you actually guarantee this works for you? The answer is simple. Consistency beats perfection. The algorithm, whether it's the YouTube algorithm, the Fiverr search algorithm, or honestly just the biological process of you learning a new skill, it rewards action, not planning. Your very first AI-generated ebook, it won't be perfect. Your first automated video might look a little clunky. And you know what? That doesn't matter. You have to publish before it's perfect, because execution is the ultimate bottleneck, not ideas.
So, I want to leave you with this question to ponder. Which AI income stream are you going to start today? Are you going to do 30 minutes of AI data training? Will you ask ChatGPT to outline a guide for your specific hobby? Or will you go ahead and set up your very first automated voiceover? The tools are free, the staircase is built, and that next step is entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy building.